Hello, Assalamualaikum. This is Shahjahan, and you are watching our YouTube channel. So today I am here with new topic on the BTC crypto market. So most people say that market always running without taking our extreme order block and market going make new low or new high. So here I am for the clearance why market don't take the extreme order block, what the reason behind. So here is you can see our BTC chart, how to take trade on breaker in bearish trend. So here is our structure. BTC is its a current price. When you got a BOS and structure break, this is our lower low. After lower low, after BOS, you have to find or breaker block. So here is our last higher high. So if we are waiting for the limit place here for the entry trigger, you can see the market don't take this entry and getting create new low. So what the reason behind? Reason is breaker block. So when you see your BOS in this leg, you have to need find nearest breaker block. Where is breaker block? Here is our nearest breaker block. That's why market creates new low from this way. You can see when market taps on the breaker block, market get rejection, and this is your first entry. You have to plan your entry from the breaker block. If the breaker block cancelled or rejection, so you can again plan your entry from the extreme your bearish order block. But in this case, 90% market going towards breaker block. So again here, this is your short entry from the breaker block. SL should be just below your bearish breaker block, and TP should be your main low in this demand. So here you can see the risk reward 0.60 and your TP is 3.99. So here this is almost 1:10 reward. So again we are finding other entry. When you got BOS structure break and creates new lower low, so this point your higher low. After higher low, you have to find where is your breaker block from this leg to this low. So we have here is our last bearish breaker block. So when you find your bearish breaker block, you have to plan your entry from the breaker block. So when price tap on the breaker block, this is your again entry towards demand, and TP should be your main low, and SL should be your just above your breaker block. So you can see the risk reward 0.69 your SL and 3.96 is your TP. It's almost 1:8 risk reward. This is very best risk reward in crypto industry on trading market. So this is our little video for the better understanding structure and how to take trade with accurate win rate for the BTC, because crypto market is highly volatile according to forex market. So this is main reason the breaker block. If you are adding this strategy on your trading, so you can see the increased win rate your every trade on the crypto market. So we will meet again with next video. So till then, Allah Hafiz.